Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys, it is the number 144. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way you'll be able to get notifications for whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright, so we have everything out of the plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 144. If you would like to see the previous 143, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And well, with that being said, let's open this up. Here it shows a dollhouse version or a miniature version of an industrial shop. Isn't that neat? And here it shows some more of it. And here it talks about different pillows. And here it talks about different inventions that were made during the Victorian age. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it complete. Looks pretty cute. But well, let's flip this round. And well guys, now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so here we have the new addition to our dollhouse. It's this really cute miniature version of the dollhouse, which I think is really cute. But let's open this up. There we go. I'm just gonna put the box to the side. And here we have it. It's just painted wood with some paneling and then the door. It's pretty cute. You guys tell me, what do you guys think of the new addition to our dollhouse? Tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Janeiro. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming
how-to reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys.
But well, I will have his links down in the description below. And well, we will see you next time, huh, Max? Yeah. Alright, bye!
Bye!
Bye!